So guys, this is what we are using as a bait, the sea worm. You know, it has a bunch of legs. It's kind of weird, and it feels kind of nasty too.
That's a little scary, right?
Yep.
But won't bite us, right?
Okay. Yep, there we go. So again, I got 2 hooks, my weight. I just didn't have the lock to catch 2 at the same time. Let's see if it's gonna be now. Yeah guys, this is my second one, and I'm ready to go home. There we go. Yeah, this is my second one. My body caught 2, and we're ready to go. So if you guys ever want to come fishing here in Falmouth, I'm gonna leave the I'm gonna leave the location in the description of the video. This is one of the best places, guys. So yeah, today I can't be here for too long. That's why I'm leaving now. But my buddy, he caught a bunch of them here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one here too. That's my yeah, that's the one that I caught right there. Yep. And this is the one, this is the second one that I caught today. All right, there we go. And it feels like it's big. There we go. Yeah. Yep, gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Check it out.
Nice.
Yeah,
nice
that's a huge one.
Yeah, nice size.
Okay, all right. Yeah, that's a decent size. I'm gonna put them in the line here. I'm gonna keep this one. There we go. Now let's go for another one. So this is the third one. He just caught his last one.
It's the fishing worms, right? Because we're gonna try right now with the clams.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Oh, that's nice size, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. I can drink a beer with that with no time, you know what I mean?
Yeah, there we go.
Here comes another one. Two of them.
What kind of fish are you? What kind of bait is it? Oh yeah, just one.
Oh,
that's a huge one.
What a nice size, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Beautiful.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, he got his second one.
Dois anzol aí, entendeu?
I'm still waiting for mine. He caught two.
Ah, outro bezerra aí, ó.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, they stole the claim on the second one. Yeah, there we go. The third one.
That one, my friend. You know what I
I'm
mean?
still waiting for mine. What the heck?
Don't worry about my friend. You getting there, you know what I mean? Oh, that's nice.
Beautiful. You know when you toss this, you toss your bait in the same spot. Hi!
Não, não posso. Tá perdendo.
You got it.
Olha, ela é bonitinha, viu?
There we go. You just caught another one. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the location of this place in the description down below. Please don't forget to leave your like, your comment, and this way you guys gonna help my videos. All right, I'll see you guys later. Let's see which one he caught. Oh, it looks like it's big.
Oh, it's a fucking tire.
What the heck is that? Wow! Oh, shoot! See, guys, I was just about to go home. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, they say that fish is good, my friend.
Yeah, it is good. I just forgot its name, but it's a nice. That's a nice fish.
Take it away, my friend. Get it. No teeth on?
Não. Acho que não morde não. Pega lá na boca dele.
Hã? Cadê o alicate?
Tá lá, leva lá pra não cair no coisa aqui.
Holy shit, my friend.
Yeah, alright guys.
What a fucking nice fish.
Yeah, he's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Yeah, he's beautiful.
Yeah.
There we go.
Wow.
Alright guys, thank you so much. I'll talk to you guys. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, these are all the fishes, all the scup fishes that we caught today. Now we're gonna clean them. Oh, there's a lot of them here. Vamos ter que cortar a linha, né? Ok. Yeah, that's a good size one. Yeah, this is a pretty good knife to. That's a pretty good knife to scale the fish. Porta-fava ali?
Esse tamanho.
Aham.